Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fake winter like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. So first I'll go to add new project, new composition, and I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to file and import your image, and this image I'll take it from pixels.com and it's free. Okay, drag and drop and press S to decrease it like this. Okay, bring it up. Yeah, and this is our image. Now I'll go to this image and Control D to copy, and let's go. Now I'll go to effect, color correction and tint, and this is the first effect. Again, I'll go to effect, color correction and levels, and in levels I'll add some changes here. So I'll go to input black, I'll change it to 47. Also input white, I'll change it to 116, and I'll decrease gamma to 84. Also output white, I'll change it to 195. Okay, and this settings for this image. So if you change this image, maybe you need to increase input black or decrease input white. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fast box blur, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll change this or set 3 to 2, and also blur radius I'll change it to 0.2. Last thing, I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. In glow threshold I'll change it to 88, and also radius I'll change it to 40, and glow intensity I'll change it to maybe 2.6. Okay, yeah, and see. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to pixels here, and normal I'll set normal to light. Okay, and also if you don't see normal and light, you can go to toggle switch here and just click. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new solid. Yeah, make it black, but it's not important. And particle. Then hit OK. Go to effect, trap code, particular. Then I'll move this like this, and I'll go here and make it, yeah. Okay, so let me go to emitter, set point to box, and link it XYZ link it. I'll change it to individual, and let me increase emitter size X, Y, and Z. Okay, Z need more Z. Okay, something like this. Okay, now I'll go to particle, sphere, set sphere to cloudlet. See, yeah. Also, I'll go to opacity, I'll decrease it, and I'll increase opacity random, and also size random. I'll increase it, also life random. I'll increase it like this. Size. I'll increase size. Maybe something like this. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Now I'll go to physics. Gravity, I'll change it to 90. It will be good. Air, wind Y, I'll increase it to maybe 15. It will be good. So let me see what's going on here. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to this picture and or this image, and I go to layer, new solid, and make it white, and I'll name it fog. Then I'll go to a rectangle tool and I'll add a mask like this. Open mask and go to mask feather and increase it, something like this. Okay. And also I'll go to layer solid settings and maybe I want to change the color, something like this color. Okay. Or maybe, yeah. Last thing, I'll go to second image and I'll go to effect, color correction and curves. Let me go to RGB and I'll add a point here and up and point here and down. Also, I'll go to green color. Okay, put 2 points here also. Then I'll go to blue and put blue down like this. Okay, yeah, this is very good. Okay, and this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.